Hi everyone. The question is, in a circle with center O, suppose A, P, B are 3 points on its circumferences that P is the midpoint of minor arc AB. Suppose when angle AOB is equal to theta, then the ratio area of triangle AOB to area of triangle APB is equal to root 5 plus 2. If angle AOB is double to 2 theta, then the ratio area of triangle AOB to area of triangle APB is. So here, without loss of generality, let me consider a circle with radius 1, decent circle I could create, and center O, origin, let's say. Yeah. So again, without loss of generality, let's say the point A is 0 comma, my bad, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0, and let's say point B, which is at an angle theta, will have coordinates cos theta comma sin theta, and angle P, which is the midpoint of this arc AB, will have coordinates cos theta by 2 comma sin theta by 2, because then angle AOP would be theta by 2. So what about area of triangle AOB? It is half into OA into OB, both being radius, so radius is square, times sin theta, divided by area of triangle APB is what? It is essentially half times this determinant 101 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2 and 1, and you have cos theta sin theta and 1, yeah, and mod of it essentially. So as you expand, this essentially is what, if you see carefully, it is half anyway would cancel out, so half will cancel out and you get what? Sin theta divided by mod of, you have sin theta by 2 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 2 sin theta minus sin theta by 2 cos theta. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is what? Sin A minus B. So sin theta minus theta by 2. So it is sin theta by 2. So if you see carefully, this essentially is what? This essentially is you may say 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2. If you take common in denominator, you get 1 minus cos theta by 2. Why? Because I mean, just now we have seen that sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So here below mod, if you take that will open with plus sign. Why? Because 1 minus cos theta by 2 is anyway positive. Yeah. So so that means this cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta by 2 is what is given to us as root 5 plus 2. So now you may use component to dividend to find cos theta by 2. So here numerator minus denominator, if you do 2 cos theta by 2 minus 1 divided by numerator plus denominator 1 is equal to numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator. Yeah. So here let's take this 1 on other side and also divide by 2. So you have cos theta by 2 is equal to as you take 1 on other side, you will get 2 root 5 plus 4, which when cancelled with 2 here, you get root 5 plus. So root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 plus 3 is what you would get. Now try to rationalize the denominator by multiplying denominator by 3 minus root 5. So you would multiply numerator by 3 minus root 5. So what you have is cos theta by 2 is essentially below you'll get 4, 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Yeah. So here also try to understand that this ratio you have got cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta by 2 when angle AOB is theta. Now what if angle AOB is 2 theta? Then clearly you would understand that this area should turn out to be cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Yep. So here cos theta by 2 I have, if I can find cos theta, I can find the ratio. Yep. So here cos theta by 2 is root 5 plus 1 by 4, which is essentially cos 36 degree, isn't it? So that means theta by 2 is 36 degree, theta is 72 degree. So what about cos theta? So here theta is you may say 72 degree because theta by 2 is 36 degree, as you can clearly see. So a cos theta here is same as, or rather you may want to say cos 72 degree is same as sin 18 degree. Yeah, in case you don't remember the value of sin 18 degree as cos 72 degree, because generally sin 18 degree, by that phrase you remember that the value is root 5 minus 1 by 4, right? So that means my answer essentially would be what? My answer essentially will be cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, root 5 minus 1 by 4. So what you essentially get is root 5 minus 1 by 5 minus root 5. So it is essentially 1 by root 5. Yes. So A is the answer. Thanks for listening.